Hi, welcome to Usman Smart Polish channel. So far we discussed about how to plot various type of line width and line color. So it is the last discussions about this whatever we discussed before. Now in this video I will discuss about how to plot multiple data set and how to add a vertical and horizontal line of your plot data. So let's follow this video. So I'm going to push here and let's start with that. So to do those things, first I'm taking a x-axis value something. So x lim, and taking the values of range. It will take the values from the range of c from like 0 to 20. So it will take the values from 0 to 20. So I'm doing the same thing here. Sorry. So here I'm taking the y lim value. What will be the y values at here? It will be range from 0 to 20, same thing. After that, this line is no needed. So after that we'll go into there and plot it. That from 0 0 to it will start the x and y, and type we will be in linear of L type, line type of L, and the x lim equal to x lim because you take, and y lim limit value will be y limit value is there. Okay, now run the program. You'll get the output of here like this. So actually it is not plotting anything. So the reason behind it, because we are taking the values of something else. So I'm taking these values from somewhere because last time I modified the code at some things. So it is my previous plot is there. So here it is like this. So I'm copying this thing from here. I will discuss what I'm doing at here. Okay, so yeah, xlim values is taken from c, from it is taken from the card 93 data set. I'm taking the data frame of mean price, and another data frame I'm taking which is the max price from car 93 data set, and y lim is taking which is another data type from car data set, where I'm taking the data frame of speed and another data frame of distance list. So after that I'm plotting this data frame with the type, I mean configurations. The type is equal to L, and x lim is equal to x lim, y lim is equal to y lim. So let's run these programs. So first x lim run, then y lim, and then plot it. So you'll get the plot of like this. It is something different because your data set is not so good with that relevant values. That's why it is become the plot of like this. After that, if you want to make lines on the data set, so you can do these things. So it will be car of speed dataset and car of distance dataset. I want to make an client which will be in dash types, so make it the lines. So it will be giving the graph of like this. So it is some irrelevant because your car 93 data set and the data frame value and the cars data set, the values of speed and distance is completely different. That's why you got the curve like this, I mean plot like this. So if you take the data frame of same types, so you will get something good plot. So it is not mean like that this graph is false or giving a false result. It is the values which is irrelevant. That's why it is giving the graph of like this. So far we'll go to the somewhere else that, and we will want to plot a two data frames in one. It is very easy. I will not discuss this one for that reasons. Actually, when you will want to plot a data frame par mf row equal to c will take, and it will be 2 1. It's mean that whatever the data you will plot, it will be the data segment which will be divided into 2 row and 1 column. Okay, if you run this code each and every time whatever the plot will come, it will be plot like this way. So remember, if you modify your plot anywhere anytimes. So after that, if you want to make it like a default setting, you should have to run this program again. Okay, so I'm not doing this thing now here. Instead of that, I'm going to add a vertical and horizontal line, how you will add in your dataset. So first, plot a dataset first. So to plot a dataset, run plot it. So car93 data, I'm taking the data frame of max mean price and price, mean price, and car93 data of taking the price. Okay, I'm plotting these things. You got the plot, it take it lead. Suppose I want to add a horizontal and one vertical line mean of this plot. So how to do those things? To do those things, just you will calculate first what is the mean of car price. So m is equal to mean of car price. So mean of car93 data price. Okay, you got these things. After that, and m2 will calculate the mean of mean price, mean of car93 data of mean price. All right, so after that, you want to add these two things, and we want to another horizontal lines, which will have a function, and it will create a different of line in the horizontally. To do those things, I'm taking another variable of m3, and m3 will calculate like this, where m3 equal to m2, whatever the values of m2 we got with the addition, we'll go through the c of minus 1 to 4, 1 to 4 it will take. So minus 1 to 4 means it will take the 5 lines, and this thing will be multiplied with SD, standard deviations. Okay, standard deviation of what? Car93 mean price. If you want to plot this thing, mean price. Okay, now you got m is mean of the price, m2 is mean of the mean price, and m3 is the function. We will take 5 lines towards horizontally. We want to plot it using mean price and using the function where c is minus 1 to 4. To do this thing first, so add a line like AB line. AB line means it will add a straight lines, each means horizontally of m, and which color will give like you can give something else like color is equal to like green. So plot it. You got the horizontal line it here. You got this thing, yeah. So I'm giving the line width also LWT, line width equal to given as 3, then it will be looks good. And I'm doing the another things, same thing, C and VV. And in the next sections, I want to make it a vertical line, vertical, which will be in M2, and it will be color of red, and line with its 3. Run the program, and it has got the vertical line towards mean. You got it. Now you want to horizontally add some of the line which is calculated by m3. To do this thing, h is equal to m3 put at here, and line type make as a dotted, and colors make as something orange. Okay, so orange, and line type LTY, line type is dotted. So we got the final answer like this. So where our green line showing the horizontal mean, red line is the vertical mean, and orange line is the segmented towards the 6 segmented actually, from minus 1 to 5, minus 1 to 4, 6 segmented towards horizontal. So I hope you understand how to make a plot with the different data set, and how to add horizontal and vertical line in your data sets from there. So meanwhile, I have a request, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon, and share my video with others, those of the person that are working on that, or those of the persons are really seeking the solution of our programming, something like that. So my revenue is from there only. So you are my, I mean very precious things, I mean my subscriber. So please subscribe my video and like it. So hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.